So if you don't know by now, the FAA actually prohibits you flying at night. The question is, what is night? How do we define it and when is it? Okay, so let's take a look at our slides. 14 CFR Part 107 prohibits operation of a small UAS at night. Defined in 14 CFR Part 1 as the time, so nighttime is defined as the time between the end of evening civil twilight and the beginning of morning civil twilight, as published in the Federal Air Almanac and converted to local time. So what does that mean? Night means, in the FAA's eyes, the night means evening civil twilight and the beginning of morning civil twilight. So you might be wondering, what about dusk? So in the United States, evening civil twilight is the period of sunset until 30 minutes after sunset. And morning civil twilight is the period of 30 minutes prior to sunrise until sunrise. Okay, so that means, to keep it very simple, sunsets, sunrise, you have 30 minutes before sunrise and 30 minutes after sunsets. Okay, so you have just add 30 minutes on each side of the day. Okay, that's defined by the FAA, the time you can fly in. Okay, other than that, everything else is actually night. Okay, so when a sUAS operation are conducted during civil twilight, the sUAS must be equipped with anti-collision lights that are capable of being visible for at least 3 statute miles. Notice they said capable. Okay, so the FAA gave you this rule, but they also stated, however, the remote PIC may reduce the intensity of the lighting if he or she has determined that it would be in the interest of operational safety to do so. For example, the remote PIC may momentarily reduce the lighting intensity if it impacts his or her night vision. So, to sum it up, number 1, no flight operations. Number 2, night is defined as the time between the end of evening civil twilight and the beginning of morning civil twilight. sUAS operations conducted during civil twilight, the sUAS must be equipped with an anti-collision light that are capable of being visible for at least 3 statute miles. Okay, and you can adjust the intensity as you like. That all being all said, make sure you know this section of this course, because I guarantee you it's going to be on your written test. Okay, they're going to ask you about, can I fly at night or not? Okay, and they're going to be very specific about it. So make sure if you don't understand civil twilight, go back to this video, replay it, and understand it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.